Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. This is the first video in our MUN Preparation Series, where I'll guide you through everything you need to succeed at your first or next Model United Nations Conference. We're starting off with one of the most important aspects: research. Understanding how to research your assigned committee, topic, and country can make a huge difference in your performance. In this video, I'll walk you through why research is so crucial, what to research, where to find the best resources, and how to use that information to negotiate confidently during the moderated caucus. Let's start. Why research is important. Imagine you are in a conference discussing a global crisis, but you have no clue about its causes or solutions. How would you negotiate? Without research, you're not just unprepared, you're powerless. Research is your weapon, your voice, and your key to success in Model United Nations. It also gives you the confidence to speak, debate, and lead effectively. What to research? Start with your committee. Each committee in MUN has a specific purpose. For example, the UNHCR works on refugee issues, while WHO deals with global health. So, in UNHCR, proposing military solutions might not align with the committee's focus on humanitarian aid. If you don't understand your committee's role, your arguments might be irrelevant. So, search your committee's purpose to ensure that your solutions align with the committee's goal. Look for the past action that the committee has taken in similar issue to build on existing frameworks. Then, search your topic. Understand the issue's history and causes. Search for the current status to stay updated on recent development and global efforts, and explore ideas already being discussed to ensure that your proposals are realistic and relevant. Finally, search your assigned country. If you are representing Brazil, your stance on deforestation will differ from that of Norway. Knowing this strengthens your arguments and makes you a credible delegate. So, research your country's stance on the assigned topic and know which countries support or oppose your stance. This will help you anticipate debates and form alliances. Where to find information? Start with trusted official resources like the UN website or your country's government or foreign affairs website. Use also concise and accurate databases like the CIA World Factbook or BBC Country Profiles. And look for reliable news platform to keep you informed about ongoing development relevant to your topic. Steps to prepare. Gather the information you found about your country, committee, and topic. Once you've gathered your research, keeping it organized is key. So print out key documents, write thoughts or questions, and organize everything in your research binder for easy access during the conference. Once you've done your research, writing a winning position paper becomes much easier, and I'll be covering how to do that in my next video, so stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss it. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.